It's our friend Ben, and he's having a very bad cold. I know. Oh, thanks, that table drawer. Well, well, I guess you better help him really fast. That we wanna do. Oh my gosh, Ben's having a really terrible cold. You know, I could tell him we're getting enjoy help today, figuring out what will make Ben feel better for getting a cold. You will help, right? You will? Ah, great. Because our friend Ben really needs our help. Oh, because he's having a terrible cold. Come on,